What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. And as promised, we are doing sneaker content. So we're gonna do an unboxing, sneaker review. As you see, the title, sneaker we're gonna be looking and talking about. So let's just get into it. In this particular sneaker, we're going to talk about the Jordan 5s. They just dropped. We'll go ahead and get the box out and we'll get it popping. So it's basically the Jordan 5 SE, also known as the Easter. Just dropped. If you got your hands on them or if you didn't, if you copped or passed, let's get into it. So it basically comes in one of these kind of boxes. There were a few Jordans that released in this kind of box. It is a pretty fire box, I'm not even gonna front. So if you guys are trying to get your hands on it, this particular one is a size 10.5, and they are, I don't know if it's coming in backwards so you can see it. They're calling this the Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. As you can see how it comes in the box. Also with, they're calling it the Easter. The date got pushed back, so they're who knows, and so on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna hold on to the shoe or not, but however, I'll let you guys see what it's looking like. It's just in case you guys wanna, get full detail on it and stuff. These are, don't get it twisted, these are the retail, so we're not sugarcoating anything. So we got boom. So they come and they look like this. This is what they look like. They're like pink. They got like a gummy outer sole, glow outer sole in the bottom. Got your, my bad y'all, my bad, here we go, my bad. You got your Jumpman, just like normal Jordan 5, nice colorway. You got your tongue, I think it's the reflective tongue, I believe. You got your, your lace lock, and so on. Alright, so yeah, nothing too crazy, We'll get them one more time. It's like a paint color. Let me turn the light down because it's kind of, there we go. It's like a, paint colorway. This is how they look in real life. It's a pretty clean shoe. I don't think they come with other laces. I don't see no other laces in there. And yeah, so here we go. I'll let you guys see the real color. Here they go. Boom. There's your color. This is what they look like. They're pretty clean. I ain't gonna front. I think they're pretty fire. For me, it was more hype. The fact that I was able to get my hands on them, it was more hype for me. Again, I don't think I'm gonna hold on to these, to be honest with you. I'm probably gonna, I probably won't hold on to them. But yeah, there we go. Let the camera focus it. And then as promised, I don't know if everybody showed the whole glow in the dark thing. So they do glow in the dark, just in case, if there's rumors people saying do they glow in the dark. They do glow in the dark. I'll let you guys see how they look. Shut the lights. Oh my bad. Oop. There we go. See, they glow pretty bright. It's pretty fire. I ain't gonna front. It's a pretty dope shoe. Not saying I'm gonna wear them. I'll probably just stack them in the collection, or probably, you know what I'm saying. Probably move them if somebody wants them. But yeah, and that's the That's the Jordan 5 Easters, SEs, or whatever you want to call them. And we got some more shoes to do. We're going to keep that going. I appreciate y'all stopping by for the video. Put down in the comments if you cop these, if you're trying to still cop them. And also comment down any sneaker that you want me to, you know, review next. Or, you know what I mean, talk about, show, and so on. And I'm not gonna grade this shoe. I wouldn't say I think it's a fire shoe. It's not something that I'll go out of my way to try to, you know, get, to be honest with you. I just figured since I got my hands on it, but there's plenty of more. Those who know me as a collector, there's so on, there's plenty of kicks that I chase after, and we'll talk about, we'll start putting sneakers on this channel, and I'll check you on the next one.